Okay, I started working on these and then I realized that somebody out there might want to see how I'm doing this. I'm working on an antique fly rod, and the eyes on the fly rod are they're spiral eyes, and this rod is missing 5 of them. And all the ones that I have found as replacements are all chrome or stainless steel, whatever. And I want them to look as authentic as I can. So what I'm doing, I've got some fish hooks, and I've got these fish hooks, and what I'm doing is right now I'm straightening them out to make them easier to wrap. So okay, and okay, so I'm straightening them out, heating them up nice and hot, and then all I'm doing is just squeezing them down, flattening them out, so that when I go to wrap these, they're all going to spiral around nicely. Okay, so I've already made 1, so I have 5 more to make. So anyway, I wanted you guys to see that. Okay, the next thing I've done is I've gone ahead and taken that fish hook and I've clamped it to a drill bit of the appropriate size. And the way I was able to determine the size is just taking and sliding the drill bit through an eye, one of the ones that was still authentic, until I found the right size drill bit to wrap it around. All right, so here we go. We're gonna heat this one up. I'm gonna lift it out a little bit so it can get good and hot. Okay, and I'm gonna heat that fish hook up nice and hot so that I can lift it out and away and that is acting as a really good heat sink. All right, we're going to let that be it. We're going to make that be the foot. Let's go ahead and do a wrap. Okay, now that I've got it over here, I'm going to heat that one last part right there, and we're going to do a bend to get this straight out so that it will go parallel with the rod blank. Okay, and we're going to let that cool off a minute. All right, it's cooled off enough now. I'm going to hang on to this, and what I want to do is cut these legs off at an appropriate length, and there we go. And there we have the eye, and it is going to serve as a replacement for one that's missing on this rod. There is the original, and there is my replacement. Okay, and I have 3 more to make, and I will have a nice set of eyes to replace the ones that are missing off of this, like here. So I'll let you guys see it when it's done. All right, there we have all 5 of them made. And yes, they're handmade, so they're not identical. But it's a whole lot better than not having any eyes on it at all. So, and they are hardened steel. They will last a long time on this rod. So now I just got to get them squared away, flattened out on the ends, and attached to the rod.